Hi, happy to see you through this video session. Here is an interesting plant called Acheranthus aspera. It's also called as prickly chaff flower, belonging to the family Amaranthaceae. It's useful in all skin diseases and its treatment. It has an interesting tendency. You can see here it will attach to our it attaches to whatever it comes across. Uh, it spreads its seeds through clinging to objects that come in contact with the plant. By clinging to the moving objects, it ensures that its species continues in other places. Wherever the seeds get spreaded, they grow there. By clinging to objects, it continues its species, and generation after generation, it ensures that the plant lives on the earth. Similarly, our mind has a tendency to cling to things. It has the nature of clinging to objects. You can spend an hour specifically to find how our mind clings to an object. You can deliberately cling to an object for some time, and you can deliberately uncling from the object. By doing so, you get an insight that human beings have the freedom of choosing whether to cling or not to cling. Then you realize that true freedom we, the human beings, have, that is inherent to our nature. Unlike our physical body, our mind does not have a container to hold it together. That's why it wanders. Unlike our body, the mind has no container. That's why it keeps wandering. That's why it is restless and tries endlessly to attach or cling to any objects of internal and external origin. When we don't allow our mind clinging to any kind of object, internal or external, there is a new phase of freedom in our life. We gain happiness that is not dependent on any other objects. Happiness from objectless awareness is the purest form of happiness that is non addictive and long lasting. When the true state of mind is revealed to us, not clinging to anything, then our mind becomes spacious and expansive. That experience of spaciousness, the expansiveness, is the beauty of our mind, beauty of our life, beauty of our existence in this life. Thank you. See you again. Bye.